Hi friend, I am Harish Kamble. In this video, I am going to explain about enzymes, in which I am going to cover following points: definition of enzymes, holoenzymes, apoenzymes, cofactor, coenzymes, and prosthetic group. Biddle in 1948 defined enzyme as indispensable compound that play a key role in metabolism by bringing direction and control to the physiological processes of living cells. According to Fairley and Kilger 1966, biological catalysts are called enzymes. Delvin 1970 also defined the enzyme as organic catalysis, which increase the rate of biochemical reactions. In short, the enzyme is a substance which increase the rate of reactions. Then occurrence of enzymes or source of enzymes. Every cell synthesizes its own enzyme with the help of genes. This is the enzyme. See, this is the enzyme powder which is extracted from plant cell, this one, or animal cell. So this is the amylase enzymes, and these amylase enzymes is extracted from the fungus cells. So amylase enzymes also present in the saliva of human beings. It brings conversion of starch into glucose. So the enzymes are variable. There are thousands of enzymes which is prepared by or synthesized by plant cells, animal cells. Cell require their own enzymes, and these enzymes are produced from genes, and each cell has its own gene. So enzymes are not artificially made in laboratory, but it is synthesized in the living cells, and each organism's plant and require its own enzymes. So enzymes are the biological molecule which is synthesized by living cell, which increase the rate of reactions. So for the enzyme, this is the enzyme structure. This enzyme, the enzyme is made from proteins. Enzymes are made from proteins, and proteins are made from amino acids. So ultimately all enzymes are made from amino acids, and all enzymes are protein in nature. See, here is a rough idea about how enzyme work. Enzyme, suppose this is the enzyme molecule, this is the outline of enzyme. It is not just enzymes are made from amino acids, and suppose this is the enzymes which is prepared by cell, and this is the substrate means the substance on which enzyme act. So this is the substrate. It is going to process, undergoing to process. Then these substrate and these enzymes bind together, and this part is called as active site of the enzyme. It is very important site. This is the cavity which is present in the enzymes where the substrate bind. So this is called as active site, and in that active site the substrate is attached. It is formed enzyme substrate complex, and after that the enzymes break the bond or make it chemical reactions and converted or break down these substrate into product. So this is the final product which is synthesized from this substrate. So that's where the enzyme works. Then again these enzymes goes here, and again they enzyme substrate complex form, and then they produce product from the substrate. So that's the way a single molecule of enzymes can convert thousands or lakhs, millions of substrate into product. Definition of enzymes: a substance produced by the living organism which acts as a catalyst to bring out a specific biochemical reaction. So enzyme only produced by living organisms, and it increase the rate of chemical reaction, and it perform the special reaction. So there are hundreds of or thousands of enzymes present in the cell which perform a specific reactions. Not a single enzyme perform many reaction, but the specific reaction it carried out. Then the holoenzyme. Holoenzymes means what? The enzymes is made from protein. So this protein part is called as apoenzymes. This is the pure protein. So this is the first synthesized part. It is called as apoenzymes, which is produced by the genes. And this is the it made from amino acid or called as protein. But this produced the enzymes is in the form of inactive state. This is inactive state. And when the cofactor In certain enzymes, cofactors attach to the apoenzymes, they form active enzymes, and this active enzyme is called as holoenzymes. Holoenzymes means complete enzymes, which is active enzymes. Not all enzymes require cofactor, but many enzymes require cofactor to convert inactive enzymes into active enzymes. So the active enzymes is called as holoenzyme, in which apoenzymes and cofactors presence. If the only apoenzyme is a inactive state enzymes, or protein, only proteinous part, cofactor is a non-protein part, non-amino acid parts, non-protein part of the enzymes. Then apoenzymes, it is an enzyme that required a cofactor but does not have one bond. An apoenzyme is an inactive enzyme. Activation of these enzymes occurs upon binding of organic or inorganic factor. Apoenzymes made from amino acid polypeptide chains. So these are the amino acid and polypeptide chains. So all enzymes are made from amino acid and peptide bonds or peptide chains, and amino acid is building block of proteins. So all enzymes are made from proteins. So this is the apoenzymes. It is in the form of inactive in certain enzymes, not in all. uh, this is inactive, and when cofactor, when added, attach to this enzyme, it convert into inactive to active. So only pure protein part is called as apoenzyme. Cofactor is a non-protein part, and cofactor is divided into two parts. First, see what is cofactor. Many enzymes require an additional small molecule known as cofactor. A cofactor is a non-protein molecule that carries out chemical reactions. Cofactors, mostly metal ions or coenzymes. Metal ions are inorganic or coenzymes are organic. So cofactor is again divided into two parts. One is metal, another one is coenzymes. Metal ions including silver, gold, copper, these are the inorganic, and uh, coenzymes are non-protein part, or it is they are vitamins. So they are called as coenzymes. Coenzymes are always non-organic. Coenzymes are also called as NAD, FAD, etc. So all vitamins are also coenzymes. So coenzymes is a cofactor. It is also required for activation of apoenzyme into holoenzymes. Prosthetic group is a prosthetic group. Prosthetic group is also called as cofactor. But this cofactor is tightly bonded to proteins. Means along with the apoenzyme, it is tightly bonded. And prosthetic group is always involved in a active site. Active site means in the enzyme there is a cavity where the substrate bound. That part is called as active site. So prosthetic group also divided into organic and inorganic. Organics are vitamin, sugar, lipids, and inorganics are metals, iron, zinc, lithium, barium. So prosthetic group is also called as cofactor. So cofactor is divided into two, organic or inorganic. Or inorganic means metals, and organics are also called as coenzymes. Coenzymes is also called as cofactor, and prosthetic group is also cofactor. The difference between these are they are tightly bound and attached to the active site. Coenzymes are not tightly bound. A substance that enhance the action of an enzyme. Coenzymes are non-protein part of enzymes. Coenzymes are organic cofactors. See here coenzymes, how it work. Suppose this is a substrate. Example we will see here. Example of enzyme urease. Urease is the example of protein. Suppose this is urea, NH2 in bracket, after two molecules, CO formula, plus H2O. In the presence of urease, it increased the rate of reaction 10 raised to 14 times greater than the normal rate. It converted into carbon dioxide and ammonia. So this is urea, and it increased how much times? Say 10 raised to 14 times greater rate. So the millions of times greater rate due to the enzymes activity. So enzymes increase the rate of chemical reaction. So how coenzymes work? So this is substrate, this is the apoenzyme, protein part of enzymes, plus this is the coenzymes. Coenzymes required for what? So apoenzymes, there are active site, and in that active site the substrate is attracted, this substrate bond, and your formation is enzyme substrate complex, and this coenzyme also bond. These coenzymes break down the substrate or help into breakdown or take some protons byproducts etc, and converted these substrate into product, and then the apoenzyme separated, coenzyme separated, and this byproduct is formed. So that's the way the coenzymes work. Thank you.